Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 1968 Plymouth GTX. This comes from Benny in Pasadena, Maryland. And thank you so much, Benny, for your business from clear across the country. Arizona to Maryland's quite a distance there. Benny has requested just the modern internal conversion to add FM and Bluetooth wired to the original connectors so that we don't get that big increase in output power, but the radio just plugs right back in and it's ready to go. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive, so we can check that out. So let's go ahead and turn that on. AM.
May not get a lot of attention.
There's our
AM.
AM.
In Beijing, they certainly think about these things
let's do
all
some
the
stuff
time.
here.
Parts of China, just
Okay.
anecdotally,
Balance
I don't know if
right.
there's anything necessarily to say about it,
Left.
other than you've long talked about
Right.
the balance
Left.
financially for them is
Okay.
tenuous at best. They're
Okay.
kind of hanging on by a thread.
Tone.
When you have a natural disaster in any part of that country,
More
as you
bass.
just did with a 7.7 magnitude
Less
earthquake,
bass.
I don't know that it was necessary.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
But there's a lot of damage.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you
Wonder
heard
when you
that.
have an
Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. We don't need this stuff anymore. So, off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I'll just run it, pick up a few FM stations here.
I need you right here, 'cause every time you fall, I play with this.
In life, it's
You love your parents, or you your out of here too. He has some that drink he didn't buy.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Honey, won't you say your this advice that I give, it means love. Like a barrel of gold, you don't ever doubt. I was lonely. Somebody's dreaming now.
Saying he's a bad
Okay,
guy.
pull the tape out, the radio comes back, and I've already checked the dial-light. We know that works, so we're good to go here. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order from the home page of that website before calling me with a lot of questions, because the work order has all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Benny, for your business all the way from Pasadena, Maryland, and we'll see you guys next time.